Guys, como ando la pinche peluca. Es que tiene una net aquí esa. So, no creo que se me vea la net, no hay que se vea real, que no? Okay, guys. I'm gonna do a mukbang. I just came back from paying my pawn shop and I had to buy a little bit of groceries, but I could only waste like $20 because I needed to put gas. So I put 40 gas. I got my drink. The girls are on their way to. It's because I had some chicken out, right, guys? And I wanted mole so bad. I've been craving it so bad. Look what I bought right now. I love to buy. Mira, qué pretty. Este estaba 30, me lo dejaron en 20. Este era Infinity and Beyond, $10. And where's the other one? Where did she put the? Oh, here it is. Really beautiful, other pretty one, $10, and they're all silver. So I did like this one, but maybe I'll change it later. And then Mija told me, Mom, put the black one on here so para que te luzca más in one of these two fingers. So I will later, not right now, because I'm fucking hungry. I'm hungry like a motherfucker. And then this one, I had it on it. It's just, like mom and dad, I would say. And then I had another one before that was like 3 little balls, bigger, smaller. And I would say it's my kids. It represents my 3 kids. Guys, I made some canita molida the other day with green beans. It was so yummy, and I felt like eating huevitos. And then the other day I made for Julia, I guess, chile con queso. And I just bought the tortillas calentitas, and I bought the. No, I didn't buy this one. I bought this one the other day, but these are my favorites now, and they're called Primera. La Primera lives, okay? But we found, remember I told you we went to this dispenser and they had money, they had clothes and stuff. They had an electric sealer. So the girl's been going crazy with the electric sealer, sealing up everything. When usually they leave shit like this on the table. Ay, pues les entra aire and they get all, thread or whatever. Ay, hay que poner it, but it's like a never-ending story. I tell them over and over. I say, you little fuckers don't believe in the damn tostadas open or the chips or the cookies or whatever. And then they'll all blame it on each other. And these are the warm ones from the store, but I still warm them up a little bit. Let me lower it down. I'm watching Steve Wilkos, as always. I forgot before I left, I had promised Jesse a pizza, a $5 pizza. I totally forgot. And so I felt really bad right now because he goes, where's the pizza? Oh, it's only $5. I hadn't ready there. Fuck it. Toma, le dije, ve, tráiselo. Estoy dejando de pagar un bill. Oh, it's because I still have to pay my loan bill. Well, go cry. Cry up a storm. Cry me a river. Or has her hair a little bit like this. But it's morenita ella. African American. And of course she's wearing a wig. It's kind of like this one. She looks very pretty. She's a very beautiful woman. I can't see, guys. Either I can't see or I just... Oh, my fault. Let's go like that to the light. I refuse to reinstall my ring light. It's too much on my eyes like that, So, when I would go to the eye doctor, they would always be giving me eye drops. Remember I told you that I hate, somebody coming at my eyes, at my nose, at my mouth, at my ears. It gets me nervous. Okay. So, guess what? Like a stupid, because that's what I call myself, like a stupid, I never paid attention. And I never put the fucking drops in my eyes. Because they were like for dryness or whatever. I was talking to a friend of mine, a sister from church. And she always tell me, oh yeah, I had that problem when the sun would hit me and when I'm driving. But I just started putting on those drops that the eye doctor gave me and problem solved. And I was like, guys, I shit you not when I tell you, do you know how many eye drops I've thrown away? Because I don't have nobody to give them to. And if I leave them there, they're just going to get all expired and shit. All my medication. Or no. So I said, thank you, sister. You know what? I'm going to ask my doctor for more eye drops, and this time I'm going to put them. Now, if she said she gave me her, if she can tell me that she had the same eye problem with the sun and she can see better now with those drops, then by goodness, I'm going to do it. By Jesus, Almighty. I'm finna do it. Anyways, oh, gosh, so they give us a big fucking pack of chicken. I think, not to be mean, God bless them for helping, the hungry and, El Paso. I think these people had them out and then went and froze them. You're not supposed to do that with chicken and fish. That's the worst you can do. En puerco. All meats that you defrost and te hace mal, te puede hacer mal. I have an aunt, because she's still alive, that had all her life about 3-4 floor freezers. This lady, everybody loved her. I love her. This lady, they would give her like on Thanksgiving, 3-4 turkeys. Sometimes she'd defrost 1 or 2 because she was going to make a dinner, invite everybody. But as she got older, she noticed it was getting hard for her to be cooking all this up and stuff, right? So sometimes she would defrost them and then be like, no, because I'm not going to do anything. Put them back in the freezer. And that's really bad. That can even become poisonous for you when you eat it. Yeah? And she always told me, hija, si necesitas mandado, ahí están unos cóconos. And I'd be like, no, tía, gracias. Yes, I would have wanted them, but I'm not going to risk getting sick or my babies, you know what I mean? And I wasn't going to be mean and tell her, no, because you defrosted them and frosted them and se va a agüitar, I'd just rather say, no, gracias, tía, I tengo, or, whatever bullshit I could say. We all know how she is. She's like me. Actually, I'm like her. She did have a big heart, and she was very giving to all of us, to all of the sobrinos and everybody. Oh, I can't say no to that. She had other problems, but I'm not going to say them because in the end, don't I have problems too? Ya no voy a juzgar. I'm going to try not to judge nobody nowhere. I'm trying really hard to change, because the way myself speaking for myself, the way I hate people talking shit, then I shouldn't either, because then I'm a biggest hypocrite, you know what I mean? This is the most beautiful wig. I love this wig. This is the one that I call the Daisy Duke. He said, you're a horse. Speaking of horse, I told you this joke before. I'll tell it to you again, okay? I got it from a movie, Silver Bullet, about a werewolf. It's an old movie, but it's good. If you can find it on YouTube or anywhere, look it up. Look at it. It's a good movie. Watch it. Watch it now. So this dude goes to the bar, right? And he's sitting like at the bar, and so is this other man, like maybe 2 stools next to him, 3. And then he's talking to this new guy, and where you from, Lady Shingai, and serving him his drinks. But he would turn and he'd say, hey, jackass, you want another drink? He'd be like, or like that, whatever. Yeah, that's otro drink. Yeah, that's otro drink. A couple hours later, when he was buzzing and more like, okay, I'm gonna ask him. Y dice este vato al otro. I told it to you guys last time, okay? Don't pee in your pants. No, I'm just kidding. That's I'm gonna tell this joke for Elizabeth Torres because I love her so much. I love you, Elizabeth. You're so sweet. Thank you for being a follower and a subscriber and a follower over there. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Sí, and he's singing toda la noche. And in the end, he's like, Jackass, we're almost gonna go. Do you want another drink? And this guy turns around and tells him, hey, I'm sorry to ask, I'm sorry to bother you, but why do you let this? Hold on, because then I want to spit out my huevos. Huevos con pelos. He says, hey, dude, why you let this guy call you jackass like that? Hold on, I'm sorry. And he has a straight, wait a minute. And he said, hold on, I can't. Woo! I'm sorry, guys. It's because you know I'm nuts. Nuts, anyone? So he said, why do you let him? Let me take a drink. Maybe that'll help. I'm not spit it out, right? You don't know how many times in my life I've taken a drink and somebody says something so stupid and I shower everybody. And it's so embarrassing. Because I don't do it on purpose. So they say, why do you let him call you jackass all the time? Y luego este vato le dice, oh, he always called me that. Y con los dientes de burro. And the jackass teeth, of course. I know, qué funny. Whew, it was funnier telling it than hearing it. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, guys, it's getting hot in here. Take off all your wigs. Guys, for else, oh my god, my head is sweating. And then today I wear a chonguito wig, so I have my ponytail way up here. You probably can see the Bumpy right there. Bumpy, is that you? Bump in the road? Yeah, but he said, he always called me that. You have to say it like that, like a jackass. He always called me that. Jesse loves that joke. Sometimes. Sorry, guys. Sometimes, guys, I was supposed to get my, because I'm looking at my nails because I'm doing this. I miss my nails so bad. My friend Brenda, my nail art lady, girl, you know, was gonna do them this Wednesday, but they said, fuck it, we just started going to the new church. I don't want to be going, like overwhelm the kids about, we're going 2 and 3 times a week, like at the other church. I said, we'll just go on Sundays. But then I said, no. This Sunday, guys, when I tell you, I got up and turned around and knelt on my wheelchair. And I was crying so much, and I was just, it's because I'm really sad about my friend passing away. That is like depression. And on top of that, somebody come and tell you somebody passed away that you, I'm not gonna say love them in a sexual manner, but I love them like if it was my nephew, okay? And so it's sad for me. I'm all these days I've been so like I just want to stay in bed. I don't want to know nothing. But this is the thing. See, when you have depression and somebody comes and tells you a sad story, you read it, you hear it, you see it in the movie, whatever. What happens for some reason is in your brain, te lo enfrascas, okay? A frasco is a jar, te lo enfrascas. What that means is, for some reason in your brain, it's like if it was your problem. This person crashed and they're in the hospital and they're about to die, they're on life support. You start thinking that it's your problem. And in your head, it's playing like me, that I have my 3 babies. Oh my God. Like if it was me. what if it happened to me? And what if I died and my kids? And oh, it gets you 100 times more depressed. And you're laying there and you're thinking, and you try to block it out because it's I'll tell you something. And I know a lot of you are not Christian, but I'll tell you, and you have to look for it in the Bible. Everything that we have, every illness we have, it is actually a demon. So I have a depression demon in me, or I don't know if it's many, I don't know. But it's in the Bible. Look it up. I'm not lying. Or Google it. So that the more that you start be thinking about, oh my God, what if that happened to me? Oh my God, my kids. Oh my God, and you say me. Delivery, mother. No, yeah, I should have told you guys to get crazy bread since you guys like that crazy bread so much. Oh, yeah, then their mouth stinks for like 3 days of garlic.
You gave those 40, and then, well, actually, Little Caesars has a big, very big hill, and Mama, I didn't like on it.
Go put all that money in my wallet, in my car, and then lock it, okay? In my wallet. Wallet. You gotta say wallet. I got the pizza. Baby, Papa, you guys saying you could drinks? Yeah, oh, you said you had Kool-Aid. Sírvete 3 vasitos de Kool-Aid. Pues, Jesús.
No make some Kool-Aid.
Ve echar dinero primero, mamacita.
I'm tired, Mom.
I know. I'm tired too. I love it, and I just bought you guys pizza.
No, I don't know.
No, says mala, mi amor. No, how she's gonna do it. Give her the money. Did you give her the money?
Wait, you got the pizza?
Go get 3 paper plates.
Yeah, that's fine.
But I don't want you getting close to me, Daddy, because you knock over my, as it is, my little tripod. It's so you're stupid, and it's all like me, all stupid. And then a pico on the top with no ring light. And then this thing always pops out of my face. Okay, here. Sírvete. Don't touch the table, please. Siéntate, Papa. She's going to serve you Kool-Aid right now. What flavor was that Kool-Aid, Julia? Sam? Julia. Sam, hold on. Julia wants to put the money in. Sam. What flavor was the Kool-Aid? Red, huh? Hi, guys. Finish your mukbang, you little. Yeah, and you know what, guys? Because I was so the way that it was yesterday, I started having really bad anxiety and shit. And then I took it all on my poor Julia, on my poor Samantha, and I was arguing with her. And the end I told, and I'm being honest here, okay? And you guys can judge, but a lot of us have gone through this. When your kids are arguing with you, you blurt it out, just get the fuck out of my house. I have kicked her out a lot of times. Poor baby. But it's being because of my mental state too. Depression and anxiety.
There's 1, 2, and there's a bunch of big pieces.
Really? Well, get 3 Big Mama pieces if you want to. Don't push the table, please. Daddy. We have to make sure that we keep that screen door for the screen thing for the dog. It's a baby gate, but it works for her. Porque, I've told you last time, remember, when she's ran out, the dog ran out, and the managers were passing by on the sidewalk as the dog ran out. $100 bill. Boom. Julia was pissed because she's the one that's going to have to pay for it because I don't have money. I'm not saying because it's her dog and she paid. No, I wasn't going to have $100 extra. I don't even have them for mandalo. Hey, I didn't even look to see how much $40 brought up my gasoline tank. I forgot. Well, anyways, I put 40. Pero remember, oh guys, about 3 times. Once me and Julia about 3 times helped me put gas, and it was $80 to fill. Oh, 80 something, 81, 82, 83. Oh, woo! I can hear this. This one's going on the jarra, making on the jug. Bájale, mama. Is there a baby or what?
No, remember her husband.
She's crying real loud.
Well, let her cry real loud.
Now we're watching Grey's Anatomy. And Samantha says, well, let her cry loud. Speaking of let her cry loud, so I tell you, and then I got up and turned around and I sat down on my daddy's, and then I turned around and sat down, but I still had a big old fucking nut right here. Not the mama, not the mama, not the mama.
Oh, not the man, not the me.
I wanted to cry more, but I was like, but I could turn around and kneel down again. Why not? My business. Pero, no one thing. But later on, almost like towards the end, they invite people to go up there and kneel at the altar, right in front of the stage, right? Where they play. And, ¿cómo se dice predicar, mama? Where they preach. Thank you very much. The word was lost in my head. Where they preach. Yeah, it's right there. You can kneel down right there. Everybody kneels down right there. Almost everybody goes up there. Except my kids. Thank you very much. And I did because of my wheelchair. I just turn around and kneel my wheelchair. You know? But I have to talk, pray, and cry like this because if I'm like this, my eyelashes get wet from my tears and then they're falling off. So now we have to wrap it around like this and connect or disconnect because it's already like it's getting ready to break. Or the bulb, whatever. Oh, so it's in the middle of the night, guys. If I'm gonna go pee or if I turn around or whatever, I turn over here towards the living room and it's like flickering or it's on. In the beginning, I used to get scared, but then I said, no. This is a Christian home, and no. We don't want to know that here. Vámonos. You know, that's just the light. But I don't get rid of it yet or throw it away. Nowadays, I'm like, it's only $20. Al rato me lo compro next month. Y yo, la verga, tirarlo. But remember I told you? They're Walmart. They're badass because they do this, adjust, goes right here. You can put your iPhone, and I don't know what else type of phones, and they'll charge. That's why you like them. Sam bought one too. But my own phone, my phone is very old. See, I'm starting to get that whiny stuff. And whiny. Boom, shakalaka. Remember that song from Dumb and Dumber?
Yeah.
I think they're putting gas. Boom, shakalaka. Whiny.
And these the same.
Muy esa de whiny la bailábamos en Juárez. Whiny. It went along with Okay, Carolina, and then Chicaculo.
Wait, do they have any cheese packets? Extra cheese. Make sure you read it because some of it may be chili.
Parmesan, or it'll say crushed pepper.
There's only pepper.
Yeah, you have to ask for the stuff you want. Before at Little Caesars, I don't know if this is in all the stores, but before you could say, "Can I have some cookies?" And then they would usually say, "How many do you want?" And you could say 3, and they'd give you 3 little packs of cookies, sugar cookies, and they're good. Girls. I will see here.
Wait, this is a cold cup.
And then the cookies were shaped like little pizzas, and I don't know what else. Bien cute. Estaban muy ricas.
You know what
they were not super sweet. Huh?
That one? No.
I got this really cute big cup, Julia. Yeah, bring it. I dare you.
No.
I dare you.
I don't want to show it.
I do. I don't care. They know I'm crazy. Right, y'all? Bring it.
Get away. Now I have to do it. No. So do it over there.
I have a
She
cup.
told me to do it.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
No, I didn't. Don't you
Where
dare.
was
Don't you
it?
dare. You're a little boy. You gotta be innocent. Shut up. Close your ears and no talking. No talking. He wanted to bring it. No. Okay. And more. This is more in Mexico and what is and stuff. They have gag. Who farted? Just see. Stop it.
Yeah, Jesse.
I love your farts.
You want to?
He's hiding behind his pizza.
Look it. Look right there.
Somebody, I don't know who gave it to me, by the way.
Tu cola.
It's a gag cup about this big. And it's male's butt with a nice little, not a thong, like a bikini calzone. But when you turn it this way, it's a penis and the ball. And it's got stuff on it. And at the tip, that's where you drink your coffee. We've all seen them, I mean, pretty much. And
He's gonna drink. Well,
I had another cup that was my husband's. Sorry, guys. It was just a girl, just her part with a beautiful bikini underwear, very sexy like that with lace. And sure, I had a big ass booty, not a thong, but like así bien bonito, like cachetero, bien bonito, and then broke. And then, woo, many years ago, I remember when we were little, in our vitrina. It's not called a baker's rack. It's the thingy that goes with your comedor. In our vitrina, we used to enter like a little showcase thingy where you're supposed to put your best china. My mom had like 3 cups in there, and there were titties. Woo, titties! There were titties, and out of the, Chuponi would drink her coffee or whatever. But they're just gag. I'm telling you, they're like gag gifts. Yeah. And she had them in there. Nobody used them. Nobody would touch them or nothing. I could switch right now because these guys are getting rowdy. I have a thing. You know that Chavo el Ocho? How he lived in a barrel? It's not him, okay, but it's a dude that's like holding a barrel, I guess. I don't know. He's got a barrel. You can see his feet under. If you are to move that barrel up, he has a weenie with a coil in it, a springy coil. So when you pick it up, it goes dong, 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 dong. That's funny. That's just there in my room. That's a little. His thingy is about this big. And there's a wood. Está bonito, está cute. I call it Chavo el Ocho because it's a barrel. Pues, I feel sorry for Jesse tonight because I'm eating eggs and I hardly ever eat eggs. Huevos con pelos. Oh no. I never put salt on my eggs, never. When I go to a restaurant or a house and somebody offers me eggs, I can tell they put eggs because to me it's salty. And I'm not salada. See, now it's low. The TV is real low. Súbele tantito. Don't need a la papa. Don't stuff your mouth. He's always had that problem stuffing his mouth. Hold on. Since he was little, and he would choke all the time when he was little. So did my brother. I'm done with that. This brown beef, I put green beans, green chili, onions, and tomatoes. Very yummy. But I want to try. Little banana. I like it.
You know, we can go.
I want to try the nachos just before you guys leave. Because I am going to finish because I'm so hungry. Monday?
Papa
comen.
John's, Pizza Hut,
But
and
wait until
Domino's,
he finishes so I
and
can send
Domino
that to him.
Pizza, they actually take off the cheese as you add more toppings.
At Papa John's, they take off the cheese.
Yeah, and at Pizza Hut and Domino's Pizza,
This
the
is
only
the cup that I
restaurant
got
that
over
does
there.
not
I love
take
it.
off
It's
a
like
lot of
restaurant
cheese.
cup.
This does not take off cheese from their pepperoni. Only pizza.
I don't think it's cherry. Is it cherry?
Pizza is still Caesar's.
Guys, I told you guys I have been craving. I don't know why. Craving and craving and craving Kool-Aid.
Did you know
But
the cheese
purple,
pizza is
the
the same
green.
amount of money for
So
the
she can
for
shit
the
out
pepperoni
green.
pizza?
So you can shit green if you eat something purple, like a purple grape soda. It's true. You'll shit out green another day. Sorry, guys. I hope I don't disgust you with all the stupid shit I say, but you know I'm crazy. I have a little pack there of white breast turkey, smoked, the deli cut. I cut it real small and I put it into my chile con queso loco.
And Alex too?
See, it's turkey.
Yeah, Alex is
I had a little cup thing of nacho cheese.
And he was asking
put it
for...
Before say he said la chiles with tomate. I'm gonna put the turkey in there. And then those cheeses, I'm telling 2 little cup things. Milk, and then I didn't put some. A lot of mozzarella. It is fucking yummy as fuck. Yummy as fuck. You can taste that smoky in the turkey, huh? Jula. And the nacho cheese, you can taste that smoked turkey. It's pretty good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go because it's gonna... Something's happening, guys. Guys, help me. Help me, Woo. Ah, pelona. Okay.